Hi everybody, this is Ricardo here from EFX Per Meter. Today I'd like to introduce you the new Orders Assistant. This is a beta version of this app and currently not available in the App Store. But this app is a promising app. As soon as we're waiting here for some API to release the full end API connectivity with all the resources we're expecting. And this app basically connects to the entire CRM of Business Catalyst and pulls all the orders within a date range from time to time, and allows you to have an insight of how many orders you processed and how much it was. So basically, in this client here, I have this set of orders, and I can see that there's a whole lot of orders here within just a period of short time. But then it tells me the exact amount that I received. It tells me, it separates here all the orders by status at the moment. And for orders that are not within a status, it will show that there are no orders within that status at the moment. So, for example, some features here like checking the order, order details. You got a few details at site that will show the order name, and you can click here, go straight away to your order in the back end. I'll show you in a minute. And I've got here the time when the order has been placed, the amount of the order invoice, last update, when everything or anything else has been changed in the order, and the status of the order that you can change here and will allocate the order automatically here. So let me check here an order that has more products eventually, like maybe this one. So you can see here that on this order I can check there the details I get starting from this side. I've got the product images, product link, and if you click here, you go straight to the product page where it will show the product. And if you click on this edit button here, it will open the product editor. So you can basically make some changes on the product that you were there. Okay, and also, yeah, we'll show the full information of the order, product description, product SKU, the quantity being sold, the tax, and the price that it sold. There are some other requirements here which we want to do, which is the subtotal of the products, and this is we're going to do at the client demand. And furthermore, on the right side here we have shipping information from the order. So basically the shipping service, the shipping price. One of the other things which is still beta here, we're waiting for the tracking API to be released. As soon as that is released, we're getting to that, and we're maybe going to be linking this tracking information here with custom service for tracking, so you can basically get the status on the screen here by just clicking here without copying the tracking code and searching a link on the internet and anything else. So that's there for that. You get the shipping address, state and everything. You can copy this address from here or view on a map. Click in there, view address right where it should be on a map if those exist. See, you could perhaps maybe have a wrong entry sometimes. Some address is not really entering there, but let's double check here. One place I can. Oh, there you go. This one here works. So perhaps if your clients will enter the address correctly there and in a good format, it will probably output correctly here, and we'll be able to go in and fetch that. And down here, customer details. We've got your work phone, mobile phone. And one of the interesting features we put here, we put some client email connection here. So basically, in the back end of the software, you can click, you can select your provided email service that you currently use in your browser or within the machine, and you can basically click either on that icon or an email here. We'll call already the email service, and it will populate already with some content that you can perhaps enter here. So carry on, and basically by sending this message here, the customer will get this notification, this window will close and return back to the app. Okay, some other things here we have is on the phone as well. So basically we want to get this application bridged to some sort of a mobile application in the future. So we have here the ability of clicking on this here and calling the phone number as well right away. Furthermore, here down there we have the billing information, where it will show the billing address of the person, the state, and zip postcode, and the country. It's highlighted in red here, so we can basically know right away that this customer is from this country. We want to put some flags and other fancy stuff here. Once this has been fully integrated and outputted, down here we have the order summary where discount codes would apply if there's zero, and then the code that's been used, voucher ID and amount, outstanding if there's no API yet for that, and the total paid and the payment method paid with. Okay. Right now, the beta version of edit order is quite minimalistic, and shipping the order as well is another integration which we're doing with the carriers. If you have a account with Royal Mail or either any of your providers that will have an integration via API, we can connect that with as well. Or for those customers who are using Vico, we can send this order straight to Vico or connect Vico to the back end of the site. So then you can have a linkage between your orders being managed within the system and enable you to source to connect your orders from here to your gateway, which in this case would be Vico. So Vico would be a master of controlling the orders, being able to dispatch, generate invoices, and notifying customers and everything else there, which is also another very powerful resource that we're available to provide to any client interested on this application and any other services we provide. And basically, this is the order assistant, currently beta version. And you can perhaps change orders here. Let me just do a quick search here on. Oh, let me get here, for example, a customer. There's gonna be some David here somewhere. So I'm gonna just check here if there's a David. Oh, there we go. It will search as well for string name, date, amount of the order, and order name or invoice. So basically I can check here for an order which is like 45. Let's see if there's anybody who ordered 45. There you go. This person here has 245, but it's not quite exact. But let's look here for someone that paid 68. So there you go. Got here. I will look basically for any strings within the order, and it's not a term that will specifically look for, but will generally look for anything within an order. So I'm looking here for, like, say 6835. Like, let's go here. So I've got this person here, and I can check his order. And the print is furthermore coming down the line with some more improvements, advanced improvements to the order assistant. And okay, let's double check here as well. Date range. Start here. Just look for this current month now until. I know we're not there yet, but let's just put it that way and see if what's going to come up here. So economy 69 orders, and this is one of the other things you were fixing as well to get the full order here. But currently 69 orders, and I can go here and search for some Mary. I see Mary here. Mirror in this one here. So basically that's nothing there. Furthermore, coming down this application is some reports and the documentation. There's a full list of recommendation here. Documentations are currently coming. The settings of the app, and the reports not ready yet, but if it comes to have this app on interest at the moment, and this app is going to furthermore coming together with the card system pro. So basically within the card system pro, you're able to link your orders finished from here. You're able to click on here and go to the orders assistant and carry on with the order from there. Okay, hope guys you like the demo that I just shown you here. If you're interested, please just review the app, or perhaps contact me to inquire for an installation regarding this app. Thank you.